Hello student, today we are going to learn grade 6 mathematics place value unit number 2. Under the place value we are going to learn to know the place value corresponding to the position of each digit in the whole number, and we are going to know value represented by the each digit in a whole number, and to read and write in the words numbers up to billions period. First we will think about the place value. When we write the numbers, we can write from 0 up to 9. It's When we write the 0 from 0 to 9, we take one position for those numbers. For an example, you see 1 to 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, when we are going to write these numbers 1 to 9, we are going to take one position for each number. We are taking one place, otherwise one position for each numbers. For 1 to 9, we can take only one position, so it's called digit. It's one digit, so one number is there, so it is called one digit. Okay, so we learn now what is digit. So because we are taking only one position, one place to write one number, so up from 1 to 9 we can write one number and we can take one position, so it is called one digit. So what about 20 and otherwise 55? So here we are taking two places to write this number 55. So we are taking two position, one position is there and another position is there, so we are taking two places to write these two this number. So this is two digit. So how many digits are there? This is one digit, this is the second digit, so two digits are there. So what about 100? How many position we took to write this number? 1, 2, 3. So this is called three digits number. Okay, now did you understand? The number which is 1 greater than 9 is 10. Each number from 10 to 99 is written using either two distinct digits or one digit twice using two position. Okay, now did you understand the digits? This is one digit, two digit number. If you write three position, here three digit number, then 1000 is four digits numbers. Okay, let's move to another part. Here you see they have given 35. Okay, to write the 35 there are fives. Okay, five is coming under. I'm going to write 35. Here 5, here 30. 30 plus 5 is 35. Okay, to write this I am going to take 10, 10, 10. 3 tens are here and 5 ones. Okay, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones are here. So this place is called ones place. Okay, this is the place of that digit. The second is 30. 30, how many tens are altogether? 3 tens. So this is tens place. So 30 is in 10th place. Tens. Understand? This is ones and tens. Why we are calling ones? There are 5 ones. 5 ones altogether 1 plus 1, when we count 5 ones, we can get 5s. Okay, when we count 3 tens, we can get 30. 3 tens, we can get 30. So this is 10th place and this is 1 place. So we now understood what is place value. Example, 100 is there. 100, no, we will take 38. Yeah, this is 8. How many ones are there? 8 ones are here. So the place value of this number is ones. Here to take 30, we need 3 tens. So this is tens place. So it's called tens. Okay. Now see, how can we represent this number in abacus? We all know what is abacus. 35. How many ones are here? Ones place. We have to write ones and tens. Otherwise we can write ones in 10th place. Okay. How many ones are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 4, 5. Then how many tens are here? Can we write 30 beads here? If you write 30 beads, we don't need to write 30 beads because the one bead is equal to 10. So because how many tens are here, they are asking. So 1 10, 2 10 and 3 tens are here. 10, 20, 30. Understand? So don't get confused. It is very important. We don't need to write 30 beads here because they are asking how many 10. This is the place of 10. This is this digit in the digit in the ones place. How many digits are in one place? 5 digits. So 5. How many digits are in 10th place? 3 tens are here. So that's why we call this number 35. Okay, now we'll move to the next part. How we are going to read it? 53. 3, we can see 3 ones are here. And 50. How to write 50? 50 plus 3 is 53 because here 5 tens are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay. Here how many ones are? 1, 2, 3. How many ones are here? 3 ones are here. So 50 plus 3 is 53. Likewise here 65. 6 tens 60 and 5 ones are 65. In 99, 9 tens plus 9, 99. That is, there is a value represented by a digit in a number according to the position of the digit. The value is represented by the digit in the number. Okay. If there's one digit, there's only one place value is here. So this is 3. If you put 2 digit, the value of this number is represented by the digit in this number. So if you have 2 digits, so here 33. If you have 3 digit, it goes to 100 values. So 333. If there's 4 values, so it goes to 1000. Next value 3333. Okay. When we'll go to next part. The maximum value that can be represented by the digit in the ones place is 9, because if you go to 10, there's 2 digit, 1 and 2. So up to 1 to 9, up to 9 we can represent only 1 digit. Okay. After 9 up to 99, we can get 2 digits. Okay, then after 99 you can see the maximum value that can be represented by digit in the tens place is 90. The maximum number of count that can be placed in the single row of the abacus is 9. Single row of the abacus is, here we can write up to 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. We can't put 10 here because if it is 10 we have to write that value here. How many 10s are here? 1 10, 2 10, 20, 3 10, 30, 4 10, 40. Okay, then we'll move to this one, number 45. How many digits are here? The digit 4. Digit 4 we are going to name of the position of the digit in tens place because it's in second. The first place is 5. The first place is 45. This is ones place. This is 10th. Okay, the name of the position of the digit here tens place 4. Value represented by the digit is it 4 or 40? How many tens are here? 4 tens. So this is 40. The 45 second one is they have given 5. So this is in ones place. Okay, and the value of this digit is 50 or 5? 5. Then what about 30? This is ones and this is tens. In tens place, the ones are they asking about the 0? So it's in ones place. Okay, it's in one place. The value represented by that digit is 0. There's no value. They complete the following table. Digit in the ones place 63. Digit in this is ones, so digit in the one place is 3. The second one is 76. This is 1, so 6. Here 40. Ones place 0. And 88. This is ones place, so 8. The 10th is digit in the 10th place, so tens. So this is 60. So we have to put only 6, 7, 4 and 8. Value represented by the digit in the ones place. Now we are going to write the value. How we are going to write the value? Ones place 63, 76, 40, 88. The 3 is 3. The values of the 3 is 3 here. How many 3's are here? 3. Here this is 60 value. 6. The value of the 7 is it 7 or 70? 70. Good. Then here 0, here 8. The 4 is represented the 10's place, so 4 into 10 is 40. Okay, here we have to give 40. Then what about 8? 8 is 80. Okay, let's move the place value describe further. This is what I taught earlier. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, number hundreds, how we are going to, they have given 200. This is ones and tens and hundreds. Okay, what about the fourth position? If they give 1456, so this is tens, only 6 ones are here, so sorry, ones. Here tens, here hundreds. because we call this 400. What about the next number? This is thousands because we call this 1000. Okay, then we'll move to the next part. In 245, the digit 5 is the ones place. The value represented by 5 in 245 is 5 ones, so equal 5. Then 4 is 4 tens are here, so 5 tens are here, so that's why this is 50. In the third place, 2 is there, 245. This is 5 ones are there, the 40 because 4 into 10 there are 4 tens, so 40. Here 100 place, it's in 100 place, 100 and 200. Okay, I hope you understood now very clearly. In the place value corresponding to the position of each digit in a number from right to left is representatively ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000 and 100,000. It's going. Accordingly, we two successive digit of the number are considered. A place value corresponding to the position of the digit on the left is tens times the place value corresponding to the position of the digit on the right side. Okay, we'll move to this part. Ones place and tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, and 10,000 place. Digit in the ones place, this is the digit. Okay, we learned earlier 6, 7, 5, 2, 4. This is ones, this is tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. Okay, digit one, this is a digit in the ones place, one digit. This is 2 digit. Okay, and these are 3 digit, then 4 digit. Now 5 digits are there. Okay, then directly we'll go to this example. Write down the value represented by each digit in the number 5, 9, 6, 8 they have given. Okay, by 10, 8. Here how many ones are here? 8 ones, so we call 8. Here 6, 10th, the second position, tens. So how many tens are here? 6 tens. 3, 4, 5, 6. So take 6 tens are here, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So we call 60 the value of that digit. Okay, value means that what is the amount. Likewise, we can call the amount of that digit, the real amount of that digit. Then third one is 9. This is in hundreds place. So how many hundreds? 9 hundreds are here. And the 5 is, there are 5 thousands, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 plus 5,000. So we call 5,000. This is the value of this 5. When we change the position of this number, the value of the number will be changed. For an example, here I am giving 222. Here what is the value of this 2? This is 2. There are two ones, so this is 2. What is the value of this 2? Can we say this is 2? The value of this 2 is 20 because it's in tens. It's in ones. Then what about this? This is in hundreds. So there are two hundreds. We can call this, we have to call this 200 because the value of this number is 200. If you change the position of the digit, the value of digit also will be changed. Okay, remember that. So we have to do this exercise. They have given the digit 9 here. In every they have given the digit. We have the name of the position of the digit and value of the position. Here the 9 is in third place. 9 is in third place. So ones, tens and hundreds. So 100 means 9 into 100 is 900. There are 900. So name of the position of the digit is hundreds. Okay, hundreds, and value represented by the digit is 900. What about this one? 1 2 7 3. They are asking about 7. What is the place of the 7? This is ones and this is tens. So the place of the 7 is tens. The value of the 7 is, they are at 7 tens. 7 tens is, there are 7 tens, so 70. Okay, what about this one? 9 4 5 1 2. They are asking about the 4 here. This is ones, tens, hundreds, and this one is 1000. Okay, the position of the digit is 1000. Value, how can we write the value? There are 4. 4 means there are 4000. 1000, another 1000, 2000 and 3000, 4000. The value of this digit is 4000. Okay, now let's move to the next part. We'll see another example here. 9512. 94512. They are asking about the 5. Okay, this is ones and tens, hundreds. The position of this digit is hundreds, and the value of the digit is there are 500, so it's called 500. Okay, then we'll move to the periods of numbers. The periods, the total number of the students studying in several schools from grade 6 to 11 is, can we write this number easily? No. The starting, if you have more practice, if you go to higher grades, only you can easily read this number. So next step is we are going to move to how to read and write the numbers in the words and how to read that. For that easiness, we are going to learn here periods of numbers. If you know the periods of numbers, we can write this number and recognize the value of this number very easily. So how many periods are there? The number is read as in 2,856,696. Okay, how to read this? To practice that, we have to know the periods of. There are unit periods, thousand periods, million periods. Okay, we have to separate the number into periods from right to left as follow: 3 by 3. Okay, 3 number, the number is read as let us write the number by separating it into groups of threes. three numbers, we have to buy 3 by 3, starting from the one placed as given below. A group separated in the above manner is known as period of numbers or number zone. We can call this in two ways. This method in two ways. One is the period of numbers, otherwise number zone. There are two names: number zone or periods of number. Periods of number. Okay. 3 into 3 groups. We are going to separate into 3 groups. Example, I'm going to give this one. Okay, there are 5 digits. 1 2 3 4 5 digits are there. Now we are going to separate this into 3 groups, starting from the ones place. Okay, this is group 1 and this is group 2. If there's no the third number, don't worry about that. You have to separate for the given numbers only. This is group 1, group 2. Okay, we are separating from this number from right to left. Okay, from last digit, ones, tens, hundreds. The place value of this digit numbers are, this is ones and tens and hundreds, thousand and 10,000. What is this zone is called? The units periods or zone, number zone. Okay, the second zone is called, because there are 1,000 values are there, so 1,000 period. If there's another 3 numbers are there, the second group is called million periods. Okay, now we can read this number very easily. Ones, tens, so 65. Here hundreds, 500s, so 565. This group is 1,000, so easily we can call 24,000. Okay, 24,565. Let's move to this example. This is unit period and 1,000 period. Third one is millions period. Okay, how to call this number very easily? 2,836,696. Okay, this is read as 2,836,696. Simply we can call the, what about this number? This is unit, these 3 numbers, thousands and millions. So 967 millions 476,568. That's all. We cannot call units. Okay. Then what about this one? After the million, let us consider how this number is read. Let us first separate it into periods. The period which one comes after the million period's name is as billion period. After the unit is 1,000 period. After the 1,000 is million period. After the million, the period is name as the billion period. So how can we say if it comes under the billion? So 7,686,975,623. That's all. Writing a number is this manner by separating it into group of 3 position, starting from the ones place and moving towards the left, starting starting from the ones place and moving forward left. Okay, separating into group of threes. Here separating into group of threes, group of threes, group of threes, starting from ones place to left, right to left. Okay, towards the left it's represent the number is standard form. Okay, when writing a number in a standard form, a small space is left between two periods to separate and identify the periods very easily. For example, we cannot write this number like this. This is a general form. The standard form, we have to leave a small gap between these periods. Okay, between each three digits. Okay, example, how to write this one: 2 8 2 8 5 4 7 3 9. I'm going to write like this. Okay, this is 3 and this one other 3. This is another group. So this is unit group, unit period, and this is 100 unit period. This one is thousands period and million period, and the next one is billions period. So how we are going to write this number? 739, leave a small gap, and 854 and 2. Can you remember we put a small comma between these three numbers? So 2,854,739. We'll move to the next part. We are going to do the next one is how we are going to do this one. Number they have given million, thousand, units, the periods. How we are going to separate this? 276 units 63,000. Can you see they are dividing? Can you see they were dividing, separating three numbers, 3 by 3. Okay, how the number is read or written in the word? 63,000 63,276. What about this? Without seeing this one we can read, this is thousand period, so 654,378, and this one is 0. So what about this one? Millions period, so 2,375. Then this one is 43,000,000. Here 0. Here 204,007,800. Okay, now we'll move to then this one. For extra knowledge, we have to know about the other names. 100,000 is 1 lakh. Million is 10 lakhs. When we when there's 10 lakhs, we can call million. And 10 millions crore, 100 millions 10 crores. Okay, name of the number. Now we have to fill the name of the number by separating. I'm going to take the black pen. 63,465. Okay, this is unit period. This one is thousand period. Then how we can call this? 36,465. What about this? 75,005. This 125,368. Then 300,000 and 300. This is the last one is 2,178,525,348. This is unit, thousand period, million period, billion period. So 2,178,000,000 525,348. Okay, then we'll move to this one, 3 million. How to write this number 3 million? Well, first we will put the periods: billion periods, million periods, thousand periods, and unit periods. Billions, 3 millions are there. Billions, there's no billion, so there are 3 million, so we have to put 3 here easily. 800,200. 800,000, 800,000, 800,000. We have to put 800 here. And 200. Okay, the second is 7 billion. 7 billion 250 million. 250 million and 20. There's no thousand here, so we have to put 30 and 20. 20 is here now, so 100, there's no 100, so 20. The third one is 8 billion 8. 8 billion. Billion is 8. Million, there's no millions. A thousand is also, there's no thousand. The final one is 8. There's no 100, there's no 20, and only 8. Okay, I hope you understood the lesson now very clearly. If you have any doubts, so if you want more clarification, if you want more improvement in my explanation, please give the comments in comment box. Leave the comments in comment box, and also subscribe my channel. Write down each of the following numbers in standard form. Standard form is we have to leave the gap between between the periods. The first one is 72550. So this is one period and this is one period, so we have to write in this standard format. Okay, the third one I'm going to write the answer here without writing the question. Second ones we are going to write like this: 55,000. The third one is 272101125. This 3 125, and this 3 201,027 million. Likewise, we have to separate from right to left. Separate three digits. Each periods get 3 digits. So third one, how to write this one? 3, how many zeros? 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 1 2 7 9. This 3 2 7 9, and this 3 0 0 0 0 1, and this 3 300. Okay. The second question is the numbers in words: 10 billion, 40 million, 500,000. Okay, this one is 4 billion, 750 million, 50,000. This one 1 million, 1,10,100,500. 75 billion, 4 million, 350,000 and 50. Write down each number is following standard form and write them in the table separate into periods. How to write this one in the separate periods? You can, the first one is 7,6,3,7,3,5. This is unit period. So under the unit 735. Then this is 1000. So 76,735. The second one the same, and I will write the third one now. 2769,812. Unit period, 1000 period and million period. 2,161,812. The third is okay. Then we'll move to the fifth one. Fifth one, 7,631,561. Okay. 3 unit period, 1000 period and million period. So 763,156,561. Okay. Then the sixth one we are going to do. 6, 7, 4, 6, 9, 7, 1, 2, 5, 6. Unit period, 1000 period, and these three million period, and this one is billion period. So 6,746,971,256. Okay. Then we'll do write down each of the following number in the standard form and write down the name of the number as well. How to write the standard form? Separate 3 digit from right to left, and identify the units, and you can easily read and write the numbers. I will write the biggest number here, 43050 800 500. How to read and write this number? Can you read very easily? No, you can't recognize. You can identify the value of this number. First we will write in standard form. These three, and these threes, and these two. 43, 505, 805. Then this is unit period, 1000 period, million period and billions period. And then how to read this? 43 billion, 50 million, 800,000, 500. Well done. Then we'll move to the write the following number which have been given in the word standard form. 405,000. 405,000. 5,000. 405,000. There's no digits in one unit, no, 0, and 1000 unit 405. Okay, then do this one. 325,000. 325,000 and unit periods is 500. The next one is 4,800,000. 4,800,000. There's no digit in units. The fifth one is 6 billion 60 million. 6 billion 60 million. Here 0, 0, 0. And 18,024,050. 18 million, here no value. 24,000. Here there's no 100,000, so 24,000 and 50. There's no 100. Okay, I hope you understood the lesson very clearly. So miscellaneous exercise, we will move to this one. Write down each of the following number expanding in tens of the place value shows in example. 6,745. So 6,000 plus 700 plus 4 tens plus 5 ones. So we'll write this one. 7163. So 7,000 plus, how many hundreds are there? 100 plus 6. How many tens? 6 tens. So 6 tens plus 3 ones. Okay. The second one's complete the following table. Digit is 3. The digit 3 is what is the place value? This is ones, tens, hundreds. The place value of the 3 is hundreds. Okay, the value represented by the 3 is 300. The third one will do the fourth one. 185 340. This is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. So they are asking about this 8. What is the value? The place value of this 8 is ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000. Okay, the value of this 8 is 80,000. Okay, that's why we call this 85,000. Then we'll move to the next one. Using each of the digit and one exactly once, write down the largest possible number of the 4 position and the value represented by 3 in the number. We have to write the largest number by using these 4 numbers. Sorry, they have given 8, 6, 5, 3. What is the largest number here? 8. The second largest number 6. Then the second one ascending order, descending order 3. 8,653. Okay, the smallest number is 3 and 5, 6, 8. This is the largest number and smallest number. Okay, what is the value of this 3 is ones. What about this 3? Ones, tens, hundreds and 1000. 3,000. Okay, write the following number in the standard form and write it's also how to read and write. That we have done already. We'll do the one question. 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 9 9. Separate into 3. These three numbers and this 2 number. This is unit, sorry, these 3, okay, and these 3. Thousand and million. 212,345,699. Then what is the smallest number that can be written using 3 different digits which has the millions period as its last period? Write this number in words too. Millions period as its last period. What is the smallest number? What is the greatest number which has a billions periods and is its last period? Which write the number in the line. Unit, thousand, million, billion. 0 0 0 0 0. There are 3 digits. Smallest number that can be written using the 3 different digits. 3 different digits which has this million period as its last period. Smallest number. Smallest number is this is the 1 million small. The billion period is biggest number they are saying to. This is smallest one. The biggest one is 9. The final digit should be 9. Okay, 1,999,999,999. Okay, so we will finish this lesson now today. Now then we'll do the summary. Before that we will look up the summarize the place value corresponding to the position of each digit in a number from right to left is representatively ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000, etc. The value represented by each digit in the number is decided according to the position of the digit in the number. Okay, it's convenient to read and write the number in the words when we separate, when the number is written in the standard format. Okay, if it is in standard format only, we can read and write the numbers very easily. So in the next video we will do the third lesson. Until that, thank you for watching my videos.